In terms of what I like about CrossFit Tone, I just love that when I come here I hit my different goals every day. Every time I come I do better than the day I did before, and that's because the things that we do are measurable. Yeah, we write them down, and yeah, it's just really satisfying. Well, I was scared of the weights. Before I joined CrossFit Tone, I just trained at a normal gym, and I basically looked the same from the beginning to the end. And in the last 2 months since I've been here, my body has just absolutely transformed. So no, do not be scared of weights. In terms of the all-woman environment, it's really just comfortable. I've trained at gyms before where men have been, and I just feel really intimidated and uncomfortable. But when I come here, women, they're all different types of fitness levels, all different types of shapes, and I just feel welcome and yeah, comfortable. For someone that hasn't been here before, just come. I mean, in terms of like value for money, it's really good. There's no contract, and why not give it a go? I mean, I don't know anyone that's trained here and not absolutely loved it, so just come and try it.